Hi, welcome to my live. Okay, getting all my things settled up here. So I have a transfer that is, what is the name of that app? It is called Raising My Tribe. And I also have a Grayson board that I'm going to put it on, 12 by 18. And I'm just trying to pull up my feed here so that I can see our comments live. So let me get that pulled up. Can't do it till I hit the live button. So I got my camera going. Now I just have to pull up the other part. Okay. I think we're in there. Okay, we are. Good. All right. Now I can see comments and we are ready to work. Okay, so Raising My Tribe. So this has many components to it. So I'm going to get some things organized here so that we can, so you can see. Okay. Got this little teepee. And I gotta get my fuzzing cloth. Okay, fuzzing cloth, full of lint, ready to go. So this one is a really cute one. All right. Okay, so whenever you are ready to chalk, it's a good idea to do the microfiber side of your fuzz cloth on the board just to pull off any kind of lint